What is up, YouTube? It's been 10 years and 2 days since I have done this. I am back. I am trying a video again. I don't know how long or how consistent I will be, but I am back with another one. You are moving with yours truly, and today you are going to meet my team for today. Yo guys,
I was going to say hey guys,
we are back.
And look at who we have.
Team.
Hello. We have Kieran and Kieran.
Hello.
And Akash.
So right now we are heading to the bird sanctuary, but we are caught up on a bit of traffic as usual, normal day in Trinidad.
Yes, guys.
Because you leave late.
Yes, guys, you left late.
You see, Kieran agreed with me.
Them fault as usual.
No.
We leave really.
So, you see what?
Well, one Kieran agreeing with you and one Kieran agreeing with me.
So yes guys, we have two Kirans with me. We have a Kiran 1 and Kiran 2. Who is Kiran 1?
Kieran 1, Kieran 2. I Kieran 1. Okay, I Kieran 2.
Alright. So right now we are just in the traffic.
I won first than he.
So we will hit you up when we reach there. We are heading to the bird sanctuary.
Yep.
So right now guys, we just touched down in Carpool store. We are just waiting to board. We are all here. Ashley and Akash is in the back, and just now we are going at it. So these is the guys here doing the thing.
That's a lot of
This is the Kiran 2 and Kiran 1.
It's a lot of cats.
So we are in the boat, guys.
Hi guys.
What you are looking for?
Everyone is excited to roll. We are actually on time. We had to wait on those guys, but we are on and we are about to move. So right now guys, we are chilling.
We're waiting on Pine Joe.
Easy Caydos on the side. So it's all fun. You're enjoying it.
Rising up like a phoenix is. Been tired of pushed to the ground. Speaking my heart like it really is. 'Cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get. No one can hold me back. I see, I like.
So guys, we just completed at carpool. We are eating now. These are the kiddies.
I am happy meal.
I think they're more excited here than the actual tour.
I know I am.
So guys, we are back at Chuck E. Cheese this time. We are having a bit of fun while the kids. We're just chilling, taking it in. And yeah, that's how it's going for tonight.
So guys, we having some dessert. We having ice cream. Look at the kiddies. All enjoying all the ice cream.
Yes,
And all
this is
the
the best
time?
day so far. Yeah.
Yay!
And we play games.
And they play games.
What? You're talking about?
So guys, we are calling it night. We have completed our journey for today. We are heading back home. Everyone is all tired. So we will see you guys in the next vlog.
Bye!
Peace.